Waco ISD is welcoming a four-legged team member this school year. University High School now has an emotional support dog just in time for the first day of school. Fox 44's PJ Hessner is in the control room with how the dog will make a positive difference in the classroom. PJ?
Thanks, Adam. Yes, the newest hire at University High School is part of Waco ISD's latest efforts to improve mental health of students and staff. Meet Bear, the Golden Doodle, who will serve as an emotional support resource for both students and staff. This is made possible with Bella's Buddies K9U program, which specializes in training golden retrievers and golden doodles for placement as therapy dogs in veterans' homes, schools, and charitable organizations. Bella's Buddies was introduced last spring to a principal meeting. University High School's associate principal, Beth Brabham, says the idea was instantly a hit after testing it with students.
They were very well received, and so immediately we knew we wanted to have at least one dog here at UHS to help with what we're already doing to create a social-emotional learning curriculum and plan that's already going to be built into our day. So Bear's just going to be an added piece of that that's going to just do nothing but bring positive light to UHS.
Yeah. Bear will be very busy attending games and practices and visiting student support groups at lunchtime and much more.
Their main goal really is to just be a calming presence. I think when there is a situation, whether it's a classroom or an individual student working with a counselor, it could be a student that's working with a behavior specialist, it could be a staff member that is having a bad day.
Teacher and cheer coach Alyssa Gramer jumped at the opportunity to be Bear's primary handler.
I was very excited to get on board and help support the staff and students.
All of the staff will be trained to handle Bear, so he will be able to visit all the classrooms and bring smiles to everyone's faces safely. Now, I was told that Bear is going to have his own period so he can recharge and rest, and then it's back to the classrooms to spread some positivity. In the control room, PJ Hessner, Fox 44 News.